channel, I'm Tolga, and today we're gonna make some etui with the tattoo design. I did last week a drawing and made it with astronauts. I was inspired with astronauts with life and death and made it just like a tattoo design. This is the design what I made. And we're gonna make some applications and put them on my etui. Okay, let's begin.
The canvas, about 35 inches in this size. In this size is 20 centimeters. This is what I cut out. Here comes the did the zipper inside and I stitched up. In the end I did it with the hand. Now I'm gonna turn inside out and stitch that size on, and the etui should then finished. And I'm thinking here making a lap of it where we can hang out, or I stitched the inside out. You will see just like this on both sizes. I made up this zipper because I want to turn it inside out again, and you will see then what's become. You will see the zipper is correctly. Okay, what we're gonna do now?
I drew it last week on paper, A4 sheet, normally paper. And my inspired was astronauts and what's life, what's death, just like a tattoo design. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scan this on my printer in the computer, and I will do on a transfer paper and make an application of it. And I did that just like this. This is my applications. What I'm gonna do is I want to iron it on my etui and made my own design on the etui, and gonna look perfectly with my design on etui, just like this. Okay, when I iron it and I come back and I will show it to you how it's done. I do it off camera.
Okay. You can apply it on your etui just how you want it. Okay, there were sheets with it, just like this one, sheets. You can apply it, the sheets, right, because we're gonna iron it. You don't want it with your ironing
You can iron it with 160 degrees. It's very hot. Look out for your fingers, because you won't not want to burn your fingers off doing this. Takes only 3 to 4 minutes. The application fits on its fabric. If it is black background, the fabric, you do it with longer, and if it is white or ecru or off-white, you can do it only 4 to 3 minutes. Okay, we're gonna look at how it is done. Peel this one off, and just like this, and you see it's on the fabric. Okay, all the last pieces here. Okay, this is the final product. You'll see it's on my fabric, and I made it my own etui with my own design.
You can see, made some applications on it, it's stuck on it, and yeah, it's great. Make your own etui with your own tattoo design or other designs what you wanted. I loved it to make it, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and see you in my next video. Bye!